Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can always see the menu bar when you're using full screen on a Mac. By default, the menu bar at the top sometimes hides automatically, and that can be annoying, especially if you're working in Chrome or another app and want quick access to the menu bar without moving your mouse to the top every time. So let's fix that step by step. First, open the system settings on your Mac. Once you're inside, go to the search bar at the top and type Dock. From the results, tap on Dock and Menu Bar Settings. Now here, you'll find an option that says Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. If it's set to Never, you'll notice that when you open apps like Chrome in full screen, the menu bar doesn't appear at all, which is not what we want. So simply change the setting from Never to in full screen only. Once you select that, go back and open Chrome again in full screen. And this time, you'll see that the menu bar now shows up properly whenever you move your cursor to the top of the screen. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials.